Hi my friends, happy All Eyes on Friday. This week we are working on a spring eyeshadow look with some of my favorite mascara colors. Mascara is a fully customizable compact. As you see right there, all the tins are magnetic and you buy only what you want. So I am putting a base color of Sabrina on, a perfect staple for every single person's kit. And then I'm using Crush, which is this beautiful shimmery light pink color. She is just a doll baby, and she's really versatile. You can make her really dark if you want to as well. I'm putting Basic on, which is just a nice, light, warm brown color. It's really not overpowering. It's just a great, easy base color, or just any day go for color. Adding a little bit of Trust in the corner right there to add dimension and depth to the corner of my eye. You can already see how much depth that is bringing right there, and just blending it in. I'm using the Eyeshadow Everything brush for all of this. Then I'm taking some eyeshadow primer and I'm just tapping her right into the corner. This is a game changer, my friends. Adding this on before I put my Leo on, which is the showstopper of this girl, will make it pop. It keeps it in place. And look at that pigmentation. I'm also using the Blend and Tap brush. It's more of a dense brush, so it picks up more of the product, which makes it a little bit darker. Going back to the Eyeshadow Everything brush, I'm dropping that Leo down to the corner bottom of my eyeliner line, and then I'm taking Crush around the inside of my liner line. Going in with the multitasker brush with the Black Friday eyeliner, which is literally like velvet. It is so soft going on, and it lasts all day and it doesn't smudge or move at all. It's so great. Just cleaning up a little bit of fallout that I had there with my Blend and Tap brush. Curling, love my curling. And I already have a little bit of mascara on, so I'm only gonna put one more layer on right there, just to really fill it out. I'm using the Better Than Sex mascara, and I love it. I love it so much. It just really fills in every lash line. And there you go, my friends. This is such a warm, versatile, show-stopping spring eyeshadow look. If you need a color match, you can look below. You can also look at all these colors below. If you have any questions, make sure to comment and like.